All right, so today I think you'll be pretty all right with the lesson. It's a little bit like we did yesterday, and it's a little bit like just multiplying basic facts. When you are presented with a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication equation, uh, today we're going to be dealing with only multiples of 10, so it should be all right. Let's take 30 times 20, for example. There are many ways that you can approach this problem. But I'm going to show you 4 different ways, then with a place value chart, then 2 different ways with a table type setting, and then the way that I learned it and the way that you might be familiar with as well. The first way is you can break this apart into 10 times 20 times 3. When you are multiplying by 10, you are moving one place value higher. So, for example, if you did, this is just an example. If you did 1 times 10, it would be 10. You are moving up one place value because there's 1 0, right? So if we're doing this, we are going to start out with 20. 2 10s. 1 2 10s is 20. We're going to take that 20 times 10, and that will give us 200. Whoa! 200. And now we've taken 10 times 20. We're done with that part. Now we need to take 200 times 3 and have a 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So we've taken 20 times 10, got 200. Now we took that 200 times 3, and we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. All right. The next way, you could break it up into 10 times 30 times 2. So in this, we're going to start out with 3 10s for 30, 10, 20, 30. We're going to take that group of 10s and multiply it by 10. That'll give us 300s. We took that by 10. So we've taken 30 times 10, and now we need to multiply by 2. We have 1 set of 3 and 2 set of 3. And our answer is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Another way is to take 30 and multiply that by 2 right away. So I have 130 and 230. So I've taken 30 2 times, and now I want to take the whole kit and caboodle and multiply that times 10. I move over 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And in the end, I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Same way, more or less, but this time we're going to have 20, 1, 2, or 10, 20. We're going to multiply this by 3. So I have 20 once, 20 twice, and 20 3 times. And now I want to take, we've taken 20, 10, 20, and we've done that 3 times. And now I want to take that whole chunk and multiply by 10. So I'll have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So in all, I guess, save your multiply by 10 for when you are shifting over to the next place value. If I want to multiply 2 multiples of 10, let's take 40 and 50, for example. I am going to do the old way, you know how we just got done with multiplying 4 times 30. I'm going to cover up these zeros. 5 times 4 equals 20. And how many zeros did I cover up? I covered up 1 over here. So this 0 will come over. And how many zeros did I cover up here? 1 0. So this 0 will come over here. And my answer would be 2,000. So you have many ways to choose from. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that if you rush through it, it's not going to work out. If you choose to do place value chart, you have to go through the steps. If you choose to draw it out as a table, you have to go through the steps. If you choose to cover up the zeros and multiply and add the zeros back in, you have to go through the steps. There's no shortcuts. Alrighty, have fun.